Hi, today we have this fidget toy advent calendar. It has 25 different peel bag boxes that you can open. Let's get started.
Okay, we're gonna start with the number 1 and go through 25. So let's go. 1.
Here we go. Oh, it's a puppet.
A present puppet too. And a wobbly guy. Look.
Oh, that's actually kind of cool. A Rudolph eraser.
A Rudolph eraser.
Right,
There we go. The Christmas light squishy.
Ooh.
Oh, it's one of these.
Whoa.
Let's go.
It's a monkey noodle.
Oh, a puzzle.
A 3D puzzle. Oh, okay, this is actually kind of cool.
It's a puzzle, yeah.
It's a Santa slap bracelet.
Oh, a wind up penguin. Show him.
It's a spike ball.
Ooh.
It's a gaming fidget.
Santa keychain. 21.
It's a Santa car. It's a Christmas tree eraser. It's a 3D puzzle.
Oh, wobbly guy. Oh, one of these.
Oh, those are.
So that was the 25 fidgets that we opened. That was a lot of fun finding out which was inside each box. It'd be a really fun tradition to do with your kids, a nice present to give to them. These toys are great for sensory, and also just to
My
have
wobbly
if you're anxious or bored to keep them entertained.